Awuthi ngikubingelele futhi wembukele ekhaya kusawunyamazane insizwa kaKhoza ubhovungana uhlase athi amadoda abhodla utshwala ngiqhamuke ube ngibhodla umlilo abangaziyo bathi isikhindi sabesuthu isikhindi esingadilikele abafana sidilikele intombi zabantu ngisasho lethe yakho bonisa ngesidilike mina ngishadile behind the camera kunomfowethu Nkosi the King bafowethu mzameni Nkosi yami yazi mcane mzami ngiyacela hayi kabi kasi podcast wena mongena ku YouTube bhala nje uthi kasi podcast ucofa usubscribe bese uyalike ucomment kanti ke manje ngihamba nabafowethu yabona bathi iarmy bafowethu emasojeni ziyadubula zona kodwa ithi ngiqale kumalume size kanje ngombuzo malume kunjani
Ngiyaphila wena unjani mfethu
Ngiyaphila malume bengicela ukuthi uyibiki ukuthi ubani ngegama lokuzalwa la ekhwayeni uyini
mina igama nguSotsha abanye bangibiza malume kuSurvivors ngomuntu oyibheka kuSurvivors and ngifana nomalume kuSurvivors of God njengoba usasi
all right isibutubutu bafowethu hayi kodwa hayi man bafowethu manini sawubona
kunjani mfethu
yo bafowethu ngangilali bengisacela uyithula ukuthi ubani wakabani
okay ngicocala ngibulisa babukelo emakhaya igama lami nguMathawo kaDladla one of the choristers and vocalist yaseSurvivors of God gospel choir
yathefula bafowethu ungafaki iCV ayi ningambheki kakhulu bafowethu social media
Yathi sanibonani babukeli ninjani babukeli my brother ninjani my brother mina igama lami nguVusi ukhathaza ekhwayeni ami caretaker and vocalist yabona ekhwaya my brother
kunenye video ngizokuthiwa bhida kwathiwa bhida ngey7 sisonke thula wena manje malume inkinga zala ekhwayeni nihlangabezana nazo ni solve kanjani nje umuntu omdala assista kanjani umphathi ukusolve inkinga zekhwaya mayifika
ngisho in short like I can say inkinga vele ehlala zikhona konke amagroup but we sit down sibone ukuthi inkinga le ehlangabezana sisolve kanjani more especially inkinga esihlangabezana nazo asizilethe ebantwini kepha thina sihlala siyiarmy sizisolve so that sokhuluma nesolution
okay ngiyakuzwa malume dad yazi mfowethu ama leading vocalist asuka ayibona yita alove reason ngoba uyazi ingoma yakhe ngene icule mengekho so manje la ekhwayeni inkinga enjalo ukuthi istar silova wenze njani nawe njengoba uyistar nenze njani
okay thina iSurvivors of God ngizoyiclarify asina star ne 1 2 if mina nginengoma and then angikho ingoma ngeke ingahlali ngacula just because of angikho umalume or other vocalists will have to step in bacule ingoma ne one thing that I don't like ama compliments because what I've saw and what I've noticed ngama vocalist amanini is that abantu mabasincoma basisicula kamnandi we tend ukuthi siziphakamise sizibone sesingcono kunabanye abantu ama compliments ayabakha abanye abantu ama compliments ayababhidliza uyanganasena once bacala bathi yo ucula kahle ekhanya ucula kamnandi uyanganasena mina sengizibona ngathi ngcono kunabanye abantwana but ubuyela embuzweni wakho ne earmy asina star ingoma ngeke ime just because of mina ngikho mangingekho omunye will have to sing ingoma what if ingoma ethengwa abantu sise stage angikho kuzwenziwa kanjani kumele ingoma ngoba ithengiwe ingacula so asina star thina wonke umuntu okwazi ukucula ekhwayeni will have to ukuthi acule leyo ngoma le vocalist lengoma malingekho
my brother kunenkinga abazali bayishona ukuthi umntana mangeke ayocula ikhwaya ngoba ekhwayeni kuyamitha la iSurvivors indaba yomjolo nisolva kanjani
sikhuluma nama choristers sihlala nawo phansi sibabonise bafethu into kanje sikhuluma nabazali understand sibabonise silungise my brother sikhuluma nabo nabantwana bethu sikhuluma nabo sihlale nabo phansi into kanje wrong yekelana understand sabakhuza sihlala nabo phansi yabona my brother
okay omunye umbuzo ogcina lo nginawo mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kuze nifinyelele 8 angithi kuba ne8 ama chorister ayayibhadalela transport noma wayibhadalela 2 iuniform imali noma kusimali 3 joining fee khona ngizoqala ngakuwe ngibuye ngele
okay no ngicala ngeuniform my brother thina iuniform ne sisa elounge ngithola obvious abantwana bakhipha ama 10 rand now, you understand, ukuthi like maybe let's say ifuna 200 ilounge, you understand, if bakhipha ama 10 rand inform ihlala ekhwayeni, akunamuntu une-inform ehlala kuyo, so inform yonke ehlala ekhwayeni, so senza kanjalo ukuthi khipha ama 10 rand nangaba ukhipha nge-10 rand siyazama la sizama khona at least sikhiphe esikhwameni sekhwaya my brother.
Okay, ngiyayizwa ye-inform stage bakhipha imali for ukuthi bawucula
thina asikhiphi imali brother, sikhipha from isikhwameni sekhwaya
bese niphatha transport.
yes.
Into ayishoyo iyo noma ufuna ukuqeda noma umphikisi ungasabi umphikisi angeke akujubule, angeke futhi akufake social media khohla hayi ngiyamthemba.
No, ngeke ngimphikise ne ukhuluma iqiniso. With our uniform ne sinama uniform ayi3 ne i-chorister alwash uniform wash ithomi lakho phela, uniform iswa e-dry clean khishwa only 10 rand. Mase emashowini i-chorister alikhiphi imali, asengine uniform thi ikhwaya iyasenzela, so even if usemashowini we know ukuthi kube nama negotiations ukuthi transport bazozimitha afwe ngento, so asikhiphi imali yokudla, everything ikhwaya iyasenzela la ikhwayeni.
Balumela quality.
Yeah, nami ngivumelana nabafethu. Ekhwayeni we do buy uniform. Hayi kuna chorister izothenga uniform. Other than less laugh ikhwaya uthola ukuthi member belingasaculi nathi, then makafika siyammeeta halfway so that azokhona ukufana nabanye abantwana, so akuna member ethenga i-uniform. When it comes to transportation njengoba sha uSis Mathaba akuna umuntu obhadalayo, sibhadalela ikhwaya.
Amakhaya wafani, like amakhaya esiphuma kuwa wafani, so we can't demand ama-chorister ukuthi akhiphe imali ye-uniform aphinde azocula, siphinde sibakhiphe imali zama-transportation, so kuba kuningi and ama-background esibuya kwawafani, so yeah, no money.
Isingisi sithi I have 5 soldiers, 1 shot, 1 die. How many soldiers left?
How many soldiers? I'll pin my brother.
I have 5 soldiers,
Yeah.
1 shot, 1 die. How many soldiers left?
3.
5 soldiers.
5 soldiers.
Ngifuna ukuklarify.
5 soldiers, 1
Yeah.
shot, 1 die.
1 shot.
1 die. Yeah.
Hey, ngicela iphendule.
Ayinami ngithingaze ngizindonsise ngele Singisi sifuna abantu abaphiwe isingisi, so ngaze ngimosha into eziningi.
Okay. Isingisi ngithi I have 5 soldiers, 1 shot, 1 die. Ayi 5. Why sasay 5? Oyi-1 imfishane, omunye udayile khaya. Wena right ukuthi 5.
Mina ngithi 3 phela ithi short. Yo.
Oh yeah, like man game.
Shayile phela brother la ukhuluma yayibona mara hayi sizwile hayi mara sizwile
7.
7 kanjani? Oh 7 ngeyi7 July Snack Park Wall. Oh 7 June. Yeah, June siyalontsha Soweto la Snack Park. Oh Piri Wall, Naledi Wall my brother. Naledi Wall siyalontsha my brother. Senza i-new album my brother. In the hit the album my brother. Yashisa my brother. Ya release kusasa brother. Yaphuma sasa brother. NgeSunday ya release brother. Understand? So kuzobe kunamakhwaya laphayana, azobe agcwele amakhwaya, kuzobe kune Temple of God, kuzobe kune Balatedi, kuzobe kune Zing Femo, kuzobe kune Biba and Osia my brother. Kube ne survivors my brother. Survivors yellow njai my brother. Survivors of God my brother.
Alright, manje asixoxe ngemalini ungena mfuthu.
Ungena 120 eminyanga. Amatikiti aphelile bafethu. Amatikiti aphelile.
So iqala sikhatsini.
Iqala ngo7. I think iqala ngo9.
Ngo9.
Yeah, iqala ngo9.
Ukuhlanya kwakho kuyi1 mfethu.
Kuyi1 kanjani my brother?
Ngihlanga ngento eyi1 nje mfethu.
Uyabona siyangena siyakhuluma noBafulana
Wembukele ekhaya bathi 7 abafethu mabafuna bakhona ku Facebook ubhale nje Survivors of God uzobathola ungasabi ukuzojoina kanti futhi uqeda kusho mfethu ngeyi7 Naledi Wall ngo9 120 ungena buye uzobusiseka nami njoba nyobusiseka yimino wakho nawo ngowami thi ngikushiye sengisayina out. Ngiyabonga bafethu.